Today, we're going to be talking about the area of the trapezoid. So, a trapezoid is when you have one set of parallel lines. This is parallel to this. Notice that these are not parallel. So, very different from a parallelogram where all sides are parallel. So, it has two sets of parallel, but a trapezoid has one set of parallel. So, to find the area, you do half times the height times you have to add the two bases together. Why is this a base? Because you say, but base should be at the bottom. If you turn this literally upside down, you can see why is a base. So you have to add up the two bases. 8 plus 6 is 14. And then find the height, which is 10. Notice that these, let me make sure you understand, these cannot be the height. A height has to go vertical. So there's several ways you could have done it. Do this. You could do half of the height. Half of 10 is 5. 5 times 14 is 70. That's one way to do it. What some people do is they do add up the two bases, 14, times the height is 10, which is 140, and half of that is 70. It's your preference. So let's do this one right now. Here is a trapezoid. So what are the two? Let's label it. What are the two bases? Is it 5 and 7 and 8/10? But if I turn this upside down, could that? No. If I turn it, oh, it's to trick you. So the bases are here. So make sure you understand. These are the bases, and this must be the height. So this must be the junk information. So to find the area, we do half time, add up the two bases. That's 3 plus 9. Height is 5. So several ways you could do this. This is one way. Half, in order operation, we do the parentheses first. 3 plus 9 is 12. And then 5. So do you want to do half of 12, which is 6, times 5, which makes 30 square yard? Or do you want to do half of 5, which is 2.5 times 12, which is 30 square yard? Or would you rather do it this way? Multiply 12 times 5 is 60. Half of 60 is 30 square yard. There's so many ways to solve this. So you just have to figure out which one's easier for you. I like doing I like finding a easier number to do half of something, like half of 12, 6 times 5 is 30. Or 12 times 5 is 60. Half of 60 is 30 square yard. And that's how you find the area of a trapezoid.